Adding comments. Comments can be added to cell as an explanatory notes. Comments are represented as a small red triangle in the upper right corner of the cell. As a user hover the mouse over that cell, the comment written with that cell is displayed. Steps to add a comment. Click on the cell where comment is to be added. Choose Comment from the Review menu. Type the comment in the text box. Click outside the cell after writing the comment. A triangular appears outside the cell. Printing a worksheet. We can print the worksheet by clicking on the Print button from the File menu or Print icon from the standard toolbar. Print Preview. Print Preview helps to view the document and to specify the settings for the printing. Steps to print worksheet. Click on the File menu. Click on Print Preview option. Click Setup. Choose the Page tab. Choose Landscape or Portrait. Click on OK.